going to track the motion of the car. How can I use the sugar packets to track the motion of this car? What do you think? Any ideas?
No.
Maybe I can put the sugar packet down where it is every certain amount of time or something. Okay. How often should I put down the sugar packets? How often should I put down sugar packets?
Like every square.
Every second? Oh, every square. So look, if I put it down every square, now we're going to compare that with the red car. I want you to tell me what's different about the motion of the red car.
It's moving.
It's faster, right? So watch this. If I put this down every square, can you tell the difference between the two cars? No. Can't. Okay. So what else can we do? Instead of putting them down every square, use something else, right? What do you think? How often should I put them down then? Instead of using
Every second.
distance every second. Okay. Now let me tell you, it's not easy to put it down every second, but I'm going to try. That's what you said. Now here's the thing. Kind of like an important rule for this, if you're going to try to do something every second, and we're trying to be precise about it, you can't necessarily trust yourself to get the time exactly right every time. So I'm going to need somebody to call out seconds. You can use the clock. You just watch it. Watch the second hand like now, 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 or just count like 1, 2, 3, 4. Who can do that?
We'll do it.
Who wants to do that?
Okay, ready?
One person.
Okay, I'll do it.
Otherwise it'll get confusing.
All right.
All right, so you just start, and I'm gonna go.
Now. Oh wait, never mind. Now. Now.
Are you calling every second or every something else?
Now. Second. Why are you trying?
I'm confused.
Every second, right? So just now.
Now.
The red one.
Now.
No.
Where? Now. It's just now.
Just count 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, 1, 2.
That's all you got.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Good. Okay. All right, I put the packets down. I was tracking the motion of the car. How was that? Did I do a good job?
Good.
What? What'd you just say? You insulted me? Yes, that was terrible. Why was that terrible? Because it wasn't accurate. What about it wasn't accurate?
Because every second that you would put it down, it would keep going forward and going forward, and eventually it would just throw it off.
Right. How was I careful about how I was placing the packets?
No.
No. So what should I do?
Do every 5 seconds.
No.
Every 5 seconds?
Yeah.
I think that'll be a long time. Maybe we could do every 2.
Okay.
But it wasn't because it was too fast. I can do every second. So how would I be more careful about this?
Make it longer. So, 2 seconds.
Let's
Dave,
do it every 2
you want to
seconds.
count?
But what'd you notice about where I was putting the packets and where I was?
You were moving with the car was moving, so the distance from
Move with the car.
Right, I was like this.
Oh,
That's
you're
different
doing
from like placing it, right? Like
Yeah.
that.
Then move with the car.
So let's try it again.
Yeah, do that.
Here we go.
Are you gonna
Pay
count
close
2
attention,
seconds?
that.
because this time's going to be bad too.
Gosh. What am I doing?
Ready?
2s?
Marco.
2?
Let's just do every second again.
Okay. Ready?
I'm ready. You go.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
You're going too fast
9,
now.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Okay.
I don't know what you're going to do. The clock's moving
So how was
fast.
that?
Wait.
Wait, what happened?
Did you watch what I was doing?
Why'd you put 2?
I
I was looking at the
For
clock.
every square.
What did I do? Oh, it did kind of turn out almost every square. But what was I doing? I was placing it, right next to the car. But did you see exactly how I was doing that?
Did you guys see where he was putting the sugar packets?
You're playing like on television.
One side, like, that's the front.
Did I do it at the front of the car every time?
No.
No. What was I doing? I would do the front of the car, the back of the car. Front of the car, back of the car. So what's another thing I need to do?
Like establish where you're gonna put it and keep it like that.
I've got to pick a spot and put it in that same exact spot every time. Okay? Good? Good with that? All right, so let's try it again. This is all part of how we
This.
keep track of motion. It's very basic, but you're going to see we are going to get information out of this. Okay, you ready? Okay, we'll do it again. We'll do it again. Yeah. Just watch and call it based on the second hand. Every time the second hand moves.
You know what that is?
The second hand? I thought I was looking at the red one.
The red one is the second
Oh,
hand.
okay.
Oh my god.
Okay, got it. Okay, ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Okay. How's that?
Good.
I finally get it right?
Yeah, that was good.
That was good. All right. Glad to meet your super high standards for motion tracking. Now we're going to do it again. We'll do the red car. We're going to see how do the packets look different for the red car versus the blue car. What did we say about the red car? You noticed it was faster.
Zoom in.
So let's see. No, time out. What do you think the packets, how are they going to be different for the red car?
They're gonna be
More
more
spread out.
More frequent, more spread out? Tricky. So yeah, so you know what? It's a good point. Since we did 1 second for the blue car, we have to do that same thing for the red car. If I change the scale, if I change the time scale, then I can't really compare. Does that make sense? Okay. So you ready?
Yeah.
Do it again?
Okay. Go. 1,
Yeah, go ahead.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay.
I was zooming that time.
I'm gonna change it.
Okay. How is it different?
They're spread out.
There's social distance.
They're more spread out, right? Interesting. So, it's a very simple model, but just even from looking at this, let's say that you just walked in, right? You just walked into class right now, and you saw this on the ground, and you understand how this works. And we told you, this one's for the red car, this one's for the blue car. Would you know which one was faster?
Yeah.
You'd be able to tell, because they're more spread out.